Okay, hello boys and girls, welcome to another Fred video today. Today we're going to be doing the lattice box. So, today we'll be doing the lattice box. So, since we're doing the lattice box, let's start. Tiny had to pay $478 to buy 48 TVs. How much did she buy and did she spend in all? So we are going to solve this together. I start off with the 4, then the 7, then the 8, the times, the 4 and the 8 there. After you have that, you kind of just really want to, I don't know, just do this. That seems reasonable. After you have that, you want to do this. But you want to stop here. You will, warning, stop here, stop here, stop here. It's kind of like on a road, look both ways, and then go, just like that. Same with this one. Warning, look both ways, go. No, look, warning. Just keep going there. And then, after you have all that, you are good to go right there. Okay, now it's 8 times 4, which equals 32, which equals 32. And 8 times 8 equals 64. And 7 times 8 is 28. And 7 times 8 is 58. And 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, right after you have every single one of those, hold on, be careful. It's going to be a little tricky. Because you got to put the 4 there because it's that, and then it's a 6. 6 makes 12 and 2. So, which kind of makes 14. Which makes 14. And then this one, then when you do 3, 8, 5, 2, it makes 19. So 3 times 3 is 6, and 6 makes 12. So you put the 2 down, get rid of the 1, makes 2. And this should be your answer. It should be 202,944. That should be your answer. Now we're going to do the pause and solve right up next. Alright, hello boys and girls. Jimboy had, now we are going to do the pause and solve. Jimboy had 153 chicks. Each chicken has 25 chicks. How many chicks are there? Now I want you to pause this and solve. Okay, you should have enough time by now. Really, you should. Okay, you should have enough time right now. You should have had enough time because you're pausing it. So, Jimboy had 153. Well, 3, well, you put the 5 there. You put the 3 and 5 there, and the 1, which makes 153. Put the times sign right there. Then you put the 2 and the 6. Put the 2 and the 6 there. Then you want to do 3 times 2. Well, can't do that yet because it is this. Now, remember what I told you the last time. So you stop there, keep going, keep on doing that. Stop, go. Stop, go. Just keep on doing that. Wait, about that. Alright. So maybe or not, y'all did this already. And it's now 3 times 2 equals 30. Wait, no, I messed up. Just checking around. Wait, I have to erase this. That's not actually what you think it is. It is actually 6. And you always want to put the 6 at the bottom, because if you put the 6 up here, put the 0 down here, it makes 60. So you don't ever want to put the 6 up at the top. You always want to put it at the bottom. If you have a 1-digit number. If it's a 2-digit and it's like 63, you put the 6 at the top and you put the 3 at the bottom. But now it's just a 6. Now, the next 5 times 2, what, just 10. The only one that is a 2-digit number. Really, the only one. On the tops. And now, we are going to do 1 times 2. And anything, this is something that you should always know. Anything times 1 is itself. So it's 2. Remember, put the 2 at the bottom, the 0 at the top. And if you got any of this wrong, that's okay. You can always go back and do it again if you want to get it right. And this is 3 times 6, which is 18. If you got that right, then you're good. If you got 5 times 6 is 30. And 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Which basically 6 will turn into itself. And that's really all there. Now, what you want to do next is you want to add this up together, but this is 8 because it's by itself. It's lonely. It's a lonely number. 6, 1, 0. It's gonna be 7. How hard is that? 0, 0, 3, 6. It's gonna be 9 if you think of it. And this is gonna be 3. And this is gonna be 0 because it has no value to it. This will be 3, 9, 7, 8. If you got this is your correct answer. Now, this is our bring back to school. I messed up on this. The Max had 897 Pokemon cards. Each had 26 health on it. How much health altogether? So this is the bring back to school problem. So do it, solve it, bring it back to school tomorrow. I'm counting on you.